and welcome. In today's episode, I will be sharing with you 2 homemade mayonnaise recipes that are vegan, healthy, and inexpensive to make. Traditional mayonnaise is done with egg yolks whipped up with some oil and vinegar and emulsified into a tasty sauce. Store-bought mayonnaise is expensive and usually contains unhealthy fats and preservatives. Many of us nowadays are looking for quick and easy meals to prepare, keeping the meals tasty, but at the same time healthy and inexpensive is the challenge. With a jar of homemade mayonnaise at hand, many quick and easy meals can be prepared almost instantaneously. Usually, mayonnaise is the star for most sandwich fillings. So here I am delighted to share with you my 2 vegan mayonnaise recipes that can be made at home in just minutes. They even taste better than traditional or store-bought mayonnaise. The first cashew mayonnaise is totally oil-free, while the second Aquafaba mayonnaise uses a plant-based healthy oil. Both recipes have no raw eggs in them and can last for a week in the fridge. Mayonnaise adds moisture and a creamy, luxurious taste to the sandwich. Starting with my first vegan mayonnaise recipe. It's perfect for people with health issues or are just strictly on a diet. Start by weighing out the cashews. I am using here 50 grams of cashews, but for a thicker mayonnaise add 20 grams more. The next step is to soak the cashews in boiling hot water for just 20 minutes. The best part of this wonderful mayonnaise recipe is that it contains no added fat or oil in it and is eggless. Moreover, it has no added preservatives or additives that might cause health problems. Store-bought mayonnaise, on the other hand, usually contains unhealthy fats and chemical preservatives, and also raw eggs in them. After 20 minutes, the cashews have plumped up real nice. The next step will be to blend the cashews to a coarse paste. This homemade mayonnaise is not only healthy but is tasty too. Moreover, it has no faint eggy flavor. The final step will be to add the rest of the ingredients to the cashew paste. A quarter cup water. Make it less if you prefer a thicker mayo. Half a teaspoon black pepper powder. A quarter teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar and preferably organic. And finally 1 tablespoon lemon juice. I am also adding here half a teaspoon of sugar to this recipe. Scrape the sides down if necessary. The final step is to blend the mixture to a smooth paste. The sugar somehow balances the sour taste from the vinegar and lemon juice and enhances the final taste. Yes, it's that simple to make vegan mayonnaise. It only took me just a few minutes to put this together. The mayonnaise had a very much thicker consistency after keeping in the fridge for a few hours. Just the way I prefer. Now you can have big helpings of this mayonnaise and be totally guilt-free, as it is made with all natural and healthy ingredients. Totally oil-free, thick and creamy. Now for the taste test. Cashew mayonnaise with fresh cucumber slices. So delicious. Aquafaba mayonnaise is another vegan mayonnaise which tastes just as good as traditional mayonnaise. What exactly is aquafaba? Aquafaba is actually the water drained from boiled chickpeas or the water drained from a can of chickpeas. Aquafaba mayonnaise is another easy and simple recipe to make. It only involves 2 steps. The ingredients used for flavoring the mayonnaise are similar to the previous cashew mayonnaise except for the fresh garlic. Other than aquafaba, this recipe also calls for a 1/3 cup unflavored cooking oil. The first step is to add all the mayonnaise ingredients except the oil to the blender. Start by adding a 3/4 cup aquafaba or chickpea juice, a 1/4 cup boiled chickpeas. This is optional. I am using this to enhance the taste of the mayonnaise. Next, into the blender add 3 whole garlic pips, peeled and crushed. Half a teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. This is my personal preference. Instead, you can always add a teaspoon of yellow mustard powder as in traditional recipes. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. This is to enhance the taste and flavor of the mayonnaise to another level. 1 tablespoon lemon juice squeezed from half a lemon. And finally, 1 teaspoon sugar. This is to offset the sour taste from the vinegar and lemon juice. The mixture is blended for 1 minute. While the mixture is being blended, 1/3 cup canola oil is slowly drizzled into the mixture. This will create an emulsion which makes up the mayonnaise. However, any unflavored cooking oil will do for this recipe. Blend the mixture for another 1 minute after all the oil has been added. As you would have noticed, my aquafaba mayonnaise is somewhat runny. To get a thicker mayonnaise, the recipe calls for more oil to be added. But in my case, I prefer not to add any more oil. If we prefer a thicker mayonnaise with less oil, we can always add a few cashews and blend the mixture up. The result will be a smooth, thick and creamy mayonnaise. With my aquafaba mayonnaise, I made a simple sandwich, tomatoes, onions, vegan mushroom burger, and finally, big helping of mayonnaise. Now for the taste test. The taste of this aquafaba mayonnaise is as good or even better than traditional mayonnaise. But for me, I prefer the cashew mayonnaise the most as it is oil-free. Keep a jar of cashew mayonnaise for that guilt-free indulgence anytime with any of your favorite snacks. That's all, my friends. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you sharing this video so others may benefit too. Wishing everyone a happy and healthy life with many blessings.